Deal 8 coin cards face up. Put the rest of the deck in a pile face down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you for putting them in the middle. You're welcome.
What great cooperation. Player 1 finds all the pairs of cards that equal $1 and records the equation for each pair on the Make a Dollar recording sheet.
Miss J, I'm thinking that it might be hard to remember how much each card is worth. I think we might need to figure out how much each card is worth first. So how about we put them on our whiteboards in the middle, and then we can figure out how much each card is worth. Ooh, good idea. I was wondering if they were all going to fit. Perfect. Okay, so, I'm not sure what coin that is, but it looks bigger than a quarter. I think that's a $50. $50 is worth 50 cents plus 25 cents. 50 and 20 is 70. 0 and 5 is 1. 75 cents. Okay, right there.
I know what that one is. That one's a quarter. Do you agree?
Agree.
And that was 25 cents. Okay, now let's look here. I know these ones are...
Miss J, I know that 75 and 25 is 100 cents or $1 because I know when I have 3 quarters, which is worth 75 cents, and I add a 4th quarter, which is 25 cents, that's 100 cents or $1. And I also can just decompose into 7 tens and 2 tens, that's 90 cents. 5 ones and 5 ones, that's 10. 90 plus 10 is 100.
Wow, great thinking. Thank you for justifying also. I'm really learning. Let's see if we can find any other ones that are...
That sounds good.
Okay. So I know that this is a...
Friends, I think we might be skipping a step. Aren't we supposed to record?
We are, Miss Callahan, but I think we're going to figure out what all of them are worth first.
Oh, okay.
So I know this is a dime. I know it's the smallest coin. So
Oh, we can cut that by 10.
Awesome. How many are there? 10, 20, and then, oh, there's a nickel, so we can just count them by 5. 10, 20, 25. 25 cents. So we could even make a combination of this card and this card. We've got so many options. Oh, wow. There's
a bunch
lots
of
of
dimes.
dimes. Let's count together.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and the nickel, 65 cents. Ooh, that's close to $1, but not quite.
Not quite there.
Okay, this looks like, oh, these all look the same, but I can tell a little bit that these two heads are a little different because this looks like George Washington, and it's bigger. That's the quarter, and these guys are all the nickels. Nickels are worth 5 cents. So 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 cents. It's too bad we can only use pairs because I know 25 and 25 is 50. We could use all 3.
Oh, well. Okay. All right. Oh, I know that this is a quarter, too, because it looks exactly like this one. So
2 quarters is worth 50 cents, I think.
I agree. And then we have 5 more, so 50 plus 5 is 55 cents.
I like taking turns. This is a quarter, too. That's 25 and 10 more. 25. I could take a jump of 10. I can imagine it on the hundreds chart. 25, 35. That one's 35 cents.
Nice tool use. Oh, I don't really recognize this coin.
That one looks like bigger than the quarter. Maybe it's the $50. Oh, I see here, $50.
Oh, wow. You've got good eyes, Mrs. Mondoy Wilson. So a $50 is worth 50 cents. And then this is a dime, so we can just add on 10, 50, 60. And then we have 2 nickels. So 50, 60, 65, 70. 70 cents.
So now our job is to find a pair, 2 cards that make $1 or 100 cents.
So we already found that these 2 pairs make $1 or 100 cents, and we found that these 2 pairs make $1 or 100 cents. Should we record those first?
Sure. Why don't we record these, and then we could deal new cards? Or should we try to find another combination first?
Maybe let's try and find one more combination.
That sounds good, and then we
challenge
can
ourselves.
add new cards. Okay, so we're going to record, oh, there's an example here. We could either do it the cent way or where it shows after the dollar that there's no dollars and there's cents.
Oh, that one's tricky. I
Let's
haven't
try this
practiced that
one.
one that much. Yeah, I want to practice that so I get better at it.
I wonder, do you think we have to write both? No, it says or.
Yeah.
Okay. So it says write an equation for each pair of cards that you find that add to $1. So we found this one. Okay, so it's $0. Do you want to record too?
Yes.
$0.75.
$0.75
Plus
$0.25
equals $1. No cents.
0 cents.
Okay, why don't we just put these face down? And then we can see if we find any others.
Okay. So let's see. I know that 50 and 50 makes 100, but
So that's just 105.
too much.
Ooh, I'm wondering maybe 35, that's kind of close to 50. It's like a jump of 5 to 40 and then a jump of 10 to 50, so it's 15 away. And 65 is 15 over 50. So I wonder if these two, let's see if we can do some thinking. 65 and 35.
So if I decompose it into 60 and 5 and 30 and 5, I know that 60 and 30
is
equals
90.
90, and then 5
and
ones
five
and
is
5 ones is 10, and
90 and 10
plus
is $1. That's totally it.
Okay, so
$0.65 plus $0.35 equals $1. Does yours look like mine?
Yep.
So 65 plus $0.35 is $1.
good job.
2 combos.
Okay, turn them over. Well, I know that we need a 75 cents to add to 25 to make $1, and I know that there's not any other 75.
So maybe we ignore that one.
Yeah. And then 70.
We'll need 30.
30.
We don't have a 30. 50, we need 50.
We don't have that. 55.
Looks like we should deal them out.
Oops. We still need that one.
I think we should just replace the ones we made.
Yeah.
Combos of. Because we always need to have 8. So I'll put these at the bottom of the discard pile. Find the new totals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is fun.
I like this game.